Oviond Lifetime Deal and Reviews 2020. To Infinity Oviond, a complete platform for hosting all of your digital marketing data. Gathering all your digital marketing data is the professional equivalent of laundry day. You've got materials scattered everywhere that you need to collect, clean up, and organize, and just like your piles of dirty clothes, you've seriously been putting it off. You need an easy way to compile and visualize all your valuable marketing information. Oviond to the rescue. TLDR, get all your client marketing data in one customizable platform. Combine real-time marketing insights across clients and integrations. Automatically generate unlimited white-labeled marketing reports. Best for digital marketers and agencies looking for cross-channel client reporting to save time and effort. Oviond is a customizable digital platform that combines and organizes all of your marketing data into useful insights and automated reports. When we say all your digital marketing data, we mean it. Oviond handles all your clients and integrations from one completely customizable interface. Add the client or business that you want to track and then select which integrations you want to see data for. Oviond lets you group clients together for easy tracking and provides a search bar for access to the information you need in no time. Get a summary of all your marketing data for a bird's eye view of your strategy. Fully customizable dashboards help you really get down to business. Add specific integration items for clients, or use one of the templates with suggested integrations and layouts to speed things along. Layouts can also be customized to feature media files and widgets that match your workflow. Plus, you can share dashboards with clients, collaborators, or anybody else that needs to be in the loop. Choose which dashboards are visible to the client for added privacy or less complication. Customize cross-channel dashboards and share them with your teams and clients. Oviond's comprehensive integration options include all the heavy hitters. You can select from Google Analytics, Facebook, Instagram, MailChimp, and many, many more for a complete look at your data. Once these integrations are added, you can then choose from an array of widgets to display or customize the visualizations to your liking. It's so easy and intuitive, you'll feel like you're hacking the system. Add cross-channel integrations for specific clients and focused data. Making reports has never been easier than with Oviond. Layouts and data sets are fully customizable, putting you in the driver's seat for a full report done at Ricky Bobby speeds. If you ain't first, you're last. Once you've got the report how you like it, you can automatically generate reports weekly, monthly, or annually. Send them to whomever you'd like to deliver periodic updates on progress and score major bonus points. Plus, white label support means you'll get full credit for whatever you decide to do with Oviond. It's all yours, free and clear. Automatically create fully customizable reports to send to clients and stakeholders. The time you spend compiling your marketing data is time you could spend actually marketing your product or looking at celebrity face swaps. The internet is wonderful that way. Oviond gives you the whole digital marketing picture, so you can step back and fine-tune your strategy. With cross-channel integrations and automated reports, it's a must-have for anyone serious about their products and clients. Get lifetime access today.